Routine dryer vent maintenance is often overlooked by homeowners as a regular home safety procedure. Unfortunately, if it's been a while since you've had your dryer vent professionally inspected and cleaned, you could endanger the lives of you and your family. In this video, we are giving you the top 3 reasons you should have your dryer vent professionally inspected and cleaned on an annual basis. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to the Alpha and Omega YouTube channel for more chimney, fireplace, and dryer vent related content. If you find this video helpful, be sure to click the like button and leave us a comment below. Number 1. House fires. The biggest element responsible for dryer-related house fires is lint. While your dryer's lint trap will catch lots of lint during regular usage, tiny lint fibers will still manage to seep their way into your dryer vent. Over time, your dryer vent can clog with lint and retain excess heat from your dryer. When your dryer's heat is unable to exit your dryer's ventilation system, it can ignite the lint that has clogged your dryer's vent. Unfortunately, this has become a common occurrence. According to the National Fire Protection Association, there are nearly 16,000 dryer-related house fires each year. Luckily, this potential threat can be avoided by having your dryer vent professionally inspected and cleaned once per year. Number 2. Dryer efficiency. While lint traps do catch lint, hair, and debris, many laundry-related particles still manage to seep their way into your dryer's internal components. If the particles are left untreated and continue to build up over time, your dryer can malfunction or break altogether. Having your dryer inspected and cleaned on an annual basis can help increase airflow through your dryer. This means that your clothes will dry faster and your dryer will operate more efficiently. If you live in a larger household and run your dryer more frequently than usual, you'll be surprised to see how much lint and hair build up in a short amount of time. That's why we highly recommend larger households, especially ones with children and pets, to have your dryer vent cleaned twice per year. Number 3. Carbon monoxide poisoning. If you own a dryer that is powered by natural gas, fumes from a clogged dryer vent can seep their way into your house and expose you and your family to dangerous carbon monoxide gas. Exposure to carbon monoxide gas can be lethal and should always be dealt with immediately. While many dryers are now electric, some units still, especially older units, use gas that can produce carbon monoxide. If you own a gas-powered dryer, it is essential that you have your dryer vent professionally inspected and cleaned on an annual basis. Now that you know the top 3 reasons you should have your dryer vent inspected and cleaned, it's time to call Alpha and Omega to schedule your appointment today. Alpha and Omega is Michigan's #1 chimney, fireplace, and dryer vent service provider, having served homeowners since 1997. Our team of industry-leading professionals are here to help you preserve the health and safety of your home by providing you with the services you need to keep your fire burning, keep your fireplace looking amazing, and most importantly, keep your home operating safely and efficiently. Call or click today to schedule your appointment with Alpha and Omega. Stay tuned for more Alpha and Omega content, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.